3 years ago, the UK had the fastest growing economy among G7 countries. At the end of 2009, it's the only member of the broader G20 group still in recession. Britain's financial meltdown was more severe, partly because of its reliance on financial services. The mood among the public is for revenge on city fat cats, blamed for causing the chaos, and now the government has acted.
But if they insist on paying substantial rewards, I'm determined to claw money back for the taxpayer. So I've decided to introduce from today a special one-off levy of 50% on any individual discretionary bonus above £25,000. This will be paid by the bank, not the bank employee, and anti-avoidance measures will be introduced with immediate effect.
Reaction among traders was predictable.
I think it's very short-sighted and it's going to lead to a lot of people leaving the country, a lot of anger, and will be net effect negative to the government. It's just for public opinion. It's an easy political shot coming into a general election.
I think the problem is with that, obviously it's a good measure and a vote-winning measure for him. But the key thing is the bonus pot that the banks have will, in theory, be reduced. So the top dogs will get paid, they'll still be looked after. It's the lower end members of staff that will miss out.
The bonus levy isn't the only measure that's being considered by the government. It's also looking at an insurance scheme that would stop the public having to bail out banks that might get into trouble in the future. And it's also looking at a transactions tax that will put a levy on all financial trading. A transaction tax is winning support in France and the United States, as well as among anti-poverty campaigners. This ex-city trader once received a £500,000 bonus, but now believes they should be curbed.
Their bonuses are massive precisely because of the crisis that they have caused. So companies that need financial restructuring go to investment banks. Traders are exploiting asset price volatility. Quantitative easing is filling the whole system with cash, and interest rates are unbelievably low, making it pretty easy to make money in the city.
The Chancellor and his team predict that Britain will come out of recession in the new year, but growth will be slow and the public deficit remains huge, despite the raid on bankers' bonuses. Tim Friend, Al Jazeera, Central London.